The previous problem was we were using the formula. Now this problem also we will be using the formula. Now remember you had one more formula to find the speed of the result or the resultant force. Now the problem goes like this. See, a motorboat is racing towards north at 25 km per hour and the water current is in that region is 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degrees east of south. Okay, what is the resultant velocity of the boat? Now let me repeat that question again. So the boat is going 25 kilometers in north, 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degrees east of south. So that part is very important because north we all of us know how it goes. Now when it says 60 degrees east of south, see this is your figure. So this is north, this is 60 degrees east of south. Okay. See, if it is 60 degrees east of south, what is the angle between the two vectors here? The two velocities. One is north and one is 60 degrees east of south. That means from the east to that particular point, it's 30 degrees. Correct? It's 30. So 90 plus 30 gives you 120. So angle between the two, see it's like this is your north, this is 60 degrees east of south. This whole angle becomes 120. Correct? So 120 degrees. Now remember the formula. Go back and remember the formula. The resultant R is equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Correct? So this was the resultant. Correct? Now in this case, A value is 25. Correct? B value is 10. And theta is how much? 120. Right? So substitute. If you substitute, you will get this as root of 25 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 25 into 10 into cos 120. Right? Now cos 120 value is minus half. So as of now, if you know this, very good, fantastic. If you don't know this, you will be learning about trigonometric functions this year. Alright, so cos 120 gives you minus half. If you substitute that, you will get a value close to 22 km per hour. Okay, if you substitute and if you simplify. Now, this is the velocity, the resultant velocity of the boat. But see here, velocity is a vector. So basically, you should find out the magnitude and the direction. Magnitude we just figured out. That's around 22, almost 22 km per hour. Whereas coming to the angle, that's also important. Now remember, tan phi is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This was the formula for the angle. Let's now substitute. B value is 10, correct, and theta value was 120. If you substitute that, you get this as 10 into sin 120 by 25 plus 10 into cos 120. Right? Now, if you simplify this, you'll get it as 10 root 3 by 2 into 21.8. Basically, the denominator becomes 21.8. Now, if you simplify this and take the tan inverse, you'll get a value close to 23 degrees, 23.6 degrees. Okay, so that means the boat is going at a speed of 22 km per hour with an angle of 23.6 degrees. Okay, 23.6 degrees from the north, that's basically northeast direction.